Mananatiling sarado ng 2 linggo ang East Kalgoorlie Primary School sa Goldfields Region ng Western Australia matapos matuklasang may mataas na antas ng mercury sa ilang bahagi ng paaralan noong nakaraang linggo. Ipagpapatuloy ang pagsusuri sa water sources at lupa sa palibot ng paaralan upang matiyak ang kaligtasan ng mga estudyante at staff nito. Pansamantalang pinalipat ang 150 students ng paaralan sa kalapit na South Kalgoorlie Primary School. Hindi itinuturing na mapanganib sa kalusugan ang nakitang mercury level sa eskwelahan. Gayunpaman, hindi naman pinipigilan ang mga ibig sumailalim sa testing, lalo na ang nangangamba na nagkaroon ng exposure sa mercury. Ayon kay East Kalgoorlie Primary School Principal Sally Fowler, may mga kinatawan ng Department of Health na magsasagawa ng testing sa South Kalgoorlie Primary School.
Good evening, everybody. I just wanted to talk to you about the testing. If you're not sick, you don't really need to get tested, but if you or you want your children testing, you can. Dr. Charles from Country Health and Dr. Gary from Bega will be setting up at South Kalgoorlie from Monday and will be there until Friday lunch. This is a simple test. It's just a wee sample, but we need you to be there to give us the okay. If you want to go to your own doctor instead, that's completely fine to do so. If you have any questions or you'd like to come in for the test, please give the school a call on Monday and we will arrange a good time. Have a great weekend and I'll speak to you on Monday.
Itinuturong sanhi ng mercury contamination ang pagkadiskubre sa isang hinihinalang illegal gold extraction laboratory malapit sa paaralan noong Enero. 20 katao ang kinasuhan ng Western Australia Police sa pangyayari at nakasamsam ng 30 tonelada ng high-grade ore matapos ang maraming ulat ng nakawan ng ore sa iba't ibang mine sites sa rehiyon. Danny De Lieva, humahataw sa balita ngayon.